smorgasbord. We'll figure that out later, Sherlock. Right now, we have a song to edit.
A new tune from the acclaimed songwriter.
David!
A little big little boy.
Oopsie, I just did.
This is incredible.
Instrumental boy. We're the best music.
Thank you.
DJ
Sometimes I even surprise myself. Well, there'd be no surprise if I didn't throw...
This is incredible.
Instrumental boy.
I don't know how you guys did that, but thank you.
Thank you, Dave. Sometimes I even surprise myself. Well, there'd be no surprise if I didn't throw that CD like a champ. Hello, jazz hands? Well, I disabled the wires, which was key. No, now. I'm the one who destroyed your science project, which really allowed...
Okay, guys, that's enough.
But I deserve the credit.
That's enough, Alvin.
Oh, I forget the credit. What about a little reward?
Ow!